All right, mic test, mic check. All right, mic test, mic test. All right. We are live.
This is the question?
Yeah, it is the question.
All right. Click on me.
Okay. There you go. Here is mine.
0.
Alright, okay.
Welcome in. Hi, Wayne. How are you? Hi, B and Puff.
Hey.
How are you? This is Tech Talk with Sakwe. Today is Cloud Day. So welcome in.
I don't think it's cloudy though. No?
Welcome in.
Anyways.
Oh, okay. Somebody's already answering. You picking two or pick what? Pick two.
Yeah,
pick
two.
RM.
It takes two, baby.
Oh, boy. All right. A cloud administrator would like to deploy a cloud solution to its provider using automation techniques, which are the following must be used. Choose two.
And I think we've seen this before.
Have we?
Yeah, I think so.
What's one? Because, he been on. I'm just here chatting.
Right, yeah, the other time was like, the answer switched.
Yeah.
Like, oh, okay, I see you.
Welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Sakwe. Every day of the week is a different certification. Keyword for people breaking newly into IT. So the idea is that if you are planning on, getting into IT, or you're taking any one of the certification and the route, come on in, answer the questions. If you're answering with ease, you know that you're ready for the certification. If you are struggling, you know that a little polishing is needed before you go and take the certification. So welcome in. All right, we have playbook. We only have one answer so far.
So far, we have one answer. Okay.
All right. Okay, Olga. Welcome in. All right, serverless and playbook.
Okay.
Auto scaling and containers. So. All right, you want to tell us the answer? I mean, we have a couple of answers in. What's the answer?
Okay, so the answer would be playbook and template.
Oh,
right.
Okay.
So the question is saying that a cloud administrator would like to deploy a cloud solution to its provider, right?
Well, hi, Mr. J.
Using automation technique, right? So this is a keyword, right, in the question, automation technique. So the question, the answer option should be an automation technique.
Okay.
Right. Fine.
It's is containers not an automation technique?
No, it's not.
Oh, okay. All
It's just container.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Container itself doesn't do automation.
Okay.
Right. However, if you mention Kubernetes, then it's orchestration and automation.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's C and B.
C and B. Welcome in, broker.
Yeah. So okay. So it's an administrator would like to deploy a cloud solution to its provider, right? So he's trying to deploy it from his or her end to the cloud, right?
Okay.
So which options or which of these automation techniques should be used, right?
Okay.
So playbook, or let's start with template. So template is usually infrastructure as a code, right?
Okay.
So if you are into AWS we have CloudFormation. If you are in Microsoft Azure, we have the ARM template. So that is, and also Terraform, right? Terraform is also infrastructure as a code template. So that is it, right? And then C is playbook, right? Ansible is playbook, right? So Ansible is for configuration automation, right? And then the template is for infrastructure automation.
Okay.
Right, so those two.
All right. Abby, welcome in. AWS Cloud Solution Architect.
Okay.
Awesome sauce. All right. So we do AWS on tomorrow, actually. Saturday is AWS and then Sunday is Azure. Just in case you're interested in multi-cloud for Azure, as on Sundays. So welcome in. This is Raymond. He has all his AWS certifications, including his CISSP and a few other certifications up on top. So if you plan on taking, okay. Oh, Abby says DACA and pass. Ooh, what was the answer again?
Do we have DACA and pass here?
Oh, Slow to Anger says that I used to think template was being lazy until I had to deploy tons of EC2s.
Exactly.
I don't get it, but as long as I get it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. Met
Right.
E and F.
Yeah. E and F. All right. So E and F are not automation techniques, right? Serverless, it's not automation, right? It's a way of hosting services, right? So that is serverless. Example might be AWS, Azure Function, right? Or AWS Lambda, right? So itself is not an automation technique, right? The only two that is automation technique is the template and playbook, right? So playbook is Ansible, right? So Ansible and Ansible, yeah, and that is for configuration configuration automation, right? Config automate, right? And then we have templates. So template is for IAC, right? Infrastructure as a code template, right? And that will be, let's use Terraform since we are doing Cloud Plus, which is Terra. Terraform. Yeah. So those are the two automation techniques.
Okay. Oh, that makes sense. All right, next question. Welcome in. This is Tech Talk Women Sack. Every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking newly into IT. The idea is that if you're planning on taking any certification, start off by coming on and answering the questions. If you're answering with ease, you know that you're ready for the certification. However, if you are struggling, you know that a little, brushing is needed before you go and take the certification. Normally, the people in the chat are, we range, right, from people like me who don't really know much about this to the people with 15, 20, 30 years experience in the chat, even 10, 5 years in the chat. So they are very knowledgeable people. Not all the time does Raymond get the answer right. So in the event that you know that the answer, you're 10 toes deep with your this is long.
Yeah.
10 toes deep with your answer. Stick with the answer and debate respectfully. I'll block if it's not respectful. But the list of the schedule is posted on the page. This is Raymond. That's all his certifications up on top there, over 30 plus certifications. So if you're interested in taking something that is not in the week that we're doing, DM him. He'll respond. Okay. So welcome in. Yeah, the last question was too long.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it doesn't even fit the screen. Alright, let's find a shorter version.
Hi, T. Marie, how are you?
Alright.
Renex, how are you?
Okay.
Little finger.
Alright, let's try this one. Is it the same? Okay.
Alright. An organization suffered a critical failure to its primary data center and made the decision to switch to the DR site. After 1 week of using the DR site, the primary data center is now ready to resume operations. Which of the following is the most efficient way to bring the block storage in the primary data center up to date with a DR site? What is a DR site?
Disaster recovery.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Thank you, because I was about to how you know honey pumpkins. I was like, what does the DR say? Okay.
Okay.
All right, Abby says A. They call me Lulu. Welcome, Lou. Lulu 22. All right, so we have A, we have D. Okay.
I'm still reading the question.
Oh, you're still reading the question? Yep. Okay. Blue, green deployment. Okay, we have to see which one is blue, green. Okay. Abby. You know what Abby's saying? Abby said A. Then she said, Abby said blue, green. Okay. All right, so we have A, C, and D.
Okay.
All right.
To switch to, okay. After 1 week of using DR, the primary data is ready to be resumed. Okay. Up to date with the DR.
We're ready for the answer.
All right.
All right, it's
So,
between
yeah.
A, C, and D.
So the answer is A.
A?
Right.
Okay.
It says set up replication.
Mm-hmm.
Right. It says which of the following is the most efficient way.
Okay.
Right. So all these other options are
Correct?
are correct, but which one is the most efficient?
Okay.
Right. And it's set up replication. Right.
Mm-hmm.
So what replication does is it brings 2 points to the same data. Right.
Okay.
So yes, let's say
Hi, Mina.
let's use database as a simple example, right?
Okay.
So you have users, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is, let's say, using a specific database, right?
Okay.
When you set up replication, what it's going to do is that whatever data that is in the first database will be replicated to the other database,
Mm-hmm.
and then whatever the other database also knows will be replicated to the other one, right?
Okay.
So since it's a disaster recovery site, right?
Mm-hmm.
Both of the locations should have the same set of data, right? So just
Okay.
in case there's an issue, they can fall back on the other data block, right?
Okay.
Is it? Yeah, it says data block, right?
Okay.
Yeah, storage. Yeah, storage data.
Okay. Honey Pumpkin says the setup A because setup application because it's a block storage.
Block storage.
Okay.
Okay, so we also have
have C and D.
C, restore incremental. Okay. So this approach, so meaning you can't restore, you're not going to restore everything at once,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Restore little at a time,
Okay.
right? But then the question is saying that, okay, so after 1 week of using, the primary data center is ready to resume,
Mm-hmm.
right? So they're ready to resume. If you use incremental, right,
Mm-hmm.
it would take a little more time before
Mm-hmm.
it's ready to be used, right?
Okay.
But if you set up replication, then you can have data or storage matching the same location.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
We have D, restore full backup. Yeah, full backup will also take longer time
Hi,
than
Hamad.
setting up replication.
Okay. Here, future. Abby says
Both
that a week is delta in both data centers.
So there will be differences in both
I'm
data
sorry.
centers.
What is a week in?
There'll be a
Happy
difference in data center.
Okay. Replication makes the match.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
All right. Next question. Today's cloud. Welcome in. This is Tech Talk Room and Sakwe. Every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking newly into IT. Hi, Win. The idea is that if you're planning on breaking new into IT, start off the route that he has, which is again Monday is A plus, Tuesday is Network plus, Wednesday is Linux plus, Thursday is Security plus, Friday being today's Cloud plus, tomorrow Saturday is going to be AWS Cloud Practitioner, Sunday is AZ 900. Again, so if you're planning on taking a certification, do answer the questions to the best of your abilities, right? There's no dumb questions as well. If you don't ask it, I'll ask it for you. The people in the chat, we range from the OGs that have been there 5, 10, 15, 20 years working in the field. So ask your questions. And it's not all the time Raymond is right. So if you know the answer for sure, it's for sure, do debate politely. Other than that, I block people. So welcome in. All right.
I think we've seen this before.
Oh, really?
So those that were...
Okay, well, don't say that out loud. Now I'm going to go with what it says. Okay, a system administrator is migrating a bare metal server to the cloud. Which of the following types of migrations should the system administrator perform to accomplish this task? Okay, we said this the first time. Okay, the answer.
Oh, what do you mean the first time?
Okay,
the first day?
Oh, I don't know. When? What do you mean by first time?
Yeah. Because we've seen this before.
Okay, it's D. Hamad, everybody's saying D. When you are spamming. that's how you know he's accurate for me seeing this question. Oh, this is the first time.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We'll say that one.
So it says that a system. So the answer is D.
D.
Right?
Okay.
So it says a system administrator is migrating a bare metal server, right? Which basically is physical server.
That was the first you lose.
But yeah, which means a physical server, right? They are trying to migrate a physical server, a bare metal server, right? That's the whole point, to the cloud. Which of the following type of migration should the system administrator perform to accomplish this task, right? So P to V is what? Physical server to virtual, right? Because in the cloud, there's no way you can deploy physical to physical, right?
Okay.
Because you don't have access to the actual system. So most of the time, it will be a virtual machine, right?
Okay.
And then P2P is what? Physical to physical. V2P is physical, virtual to physical, and then virtual to virtual. Right, so that is it.
Used to, okay, so Win says used to do bare metal backup, and Abby says P2 physical to cloud IaaS.
Infrastructure.
And then Hamas said that what is bare metal? You should explain.
Infrastructure service.
That's what
service.
it is.
IaaS infrastructure.
No, bare metal. What is bare metal?
No. It's basically physical server, right? Which is basically the first server itself, right?
So when you see bare metal is always going to be
meaning servers that are installed on the actual host.
Okay.
It's not virtualized, right? So yeah, that is it. So anytime, here we go with flex. anytime they mention bare metal server, meaning a server that is not virtualized. That's it, right? So yeah, basically installing the operating system on the actual host, right?
Got it. Okay.
But yeah, so
that's what it means. Okay. Yeah, because thank you. Hi, Ed. How are you? You know, I haven't seen TJ in a while. We need to figure out what TJ's doing. Okay. Hi, CyberSec. Okay, the cloud offers a lot of service. A lot as a service. Okay.
It does.
I heard the weirdest one last time. I forgot what it is.
Is it around somewhere? Or?
Something else. Win wants to win. Happy Friday. We are doing well. Thank you for asking.
All right, this is.
It has been a long day though, but happy Friday.
Good one. And not really good though, but.
Okay. All right. Is this enough to debate? All right. A company deploys a product using a cloud provider's PaaS platform, and many of the platform-based components within the application environment. What should the following would the company most likely be concerned about when utilizing a multi-cloud strategy to migrate migrate another cloud provider? Ooh. Wins at 2 C's. Okay.
Wow.
Let's see what
At
Hamas
least
said.
it wasn't
he's not spamming it.
I got it first.
Hamas said D. Okay, welcome in. Don't let them bully. Hi, David Smith. How are you? Welcome in. This is Ted Soccer Room and Sacco. Every day of the week is a different certification curated for people breaking newly into IT. The idea is that if you are planning on taking any of the certification, you come on in and get the answers wrong here so you can get it right on the exam, right? So this is Raymond. That's all his certifications up there, so the ones up there. But we go live at 9 p.m. Eastern time, so if you're not following, follow. Okay, all right, what's the answer, sir? I've been talking too much. Cybersec is just copy. So I mean the same thing. Cybersec.
Yeah, I saw.
You should answer, Joe. Answer.
I saw Win change his answer.
Win change the answer?
Yeah.
Oh no.
So I think he
wait, don't say it. Joe was gonna answer too.
I think he saw Hamed's answer and then changed it.
Oh no. All right, but what's the answer then?
All right, so the answer is D.
D.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah. So it's okay. A company deployed a product using a cloud provider's platform as a service, right? And many of the platform-based components within the application environment, which are the following would the company most likely be concerned about when utilizing multi-cloud strategy or migrating to another cloud provider, right? So the keyword here is for most concerned, right? So
Win said he's still sticking with C. And Joe, don't buy them. Answer as well, okay?
So C is service level agreement, right? So it's more of availability, so mostly availability, right?
Okay.
And uptime, right? So now even with your internet service provider, right? They always have the service level agreement, right? Which says that hey, your internet will make our commitment to you is that your internet will be up 99.99%, right? Or 50%.
Okay.
Right? So it's all in the SLA, which is a service level agreement, right? So now if your for within 10 hours, right? Your internet can go out for 5 hours and they can still meet that agreement, right?
Okay.
If it's 50%, right?
Okay.
But if they say that hey, the service level agreement says that your service will be up 100%, then your internet should never go out. Right?
Joe was asking, would that change it if they're SaaS?
Oh, would it change
if they're SaaS?
So if the question wasn't platform, but it was software as a service, it wouldn't. I think it would be the same. If it's the answer option, it would be the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hamad is saying that it would have been licensing and authentication.
For which one? For software as a service?
Oh, I don't know if he's answering that one, but he said that, so I don't know if he was answering that
I
one.
mean, some of the software as a service, you can also have vendor lock-in, right? So vendor lock-in is basically you have all your data in one company or one vendor,
Not
right?
for lock-in, okay.
But now, you can't move your data to a different provider.
Okay.
Because sometimes the software as a service providers, they don't even allow you to download your data or back up your data, right? So everything is on their end, right? So if you try to move to a different company, you can't, right? So that is locking, vendor locking.
Hold on, Jalen. The answer was C, right?
D. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
D.
It was D. Oh, sorry, Jalen. I'm sorry. The answer was D. Forgive me. I'm just sitting here chatting. And somebody asked a question. King Cyber was, do you guys have a full video on Cloud Practitioner to view? Where the Cloud Practitioners one? AWS Cloud Practitioner?
Yeah.
And that's going to be on tomorrow. Come on Saturday.
But he's
tomorrow.
saying that you have a full video.
Oh, I'm trying.
We are trying.
No, I'm trying to get him to be an influencer and post more of these things while he's teaching. But, this is the first step. So we're getting there.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
What did Hamad say?
Hamad. Yeah. So they're going to lock you in for license and authentication.
Ken Russ, 9 p.m. Eastern time. So we've been on for about 22 minutes. So I'm not sure if you're in the Eastern Coast here with us, but 9 p.m. Eastern time. So
yeah, so with platform as a service, right? What the cloud service provider does is they give you the platform to build whatever you need to build, right? So if it's a database, right, then database as a platform as a service database, what they do is that the underlying system that is hosting the database, you don't have access to that, right? And most of the time it's proprietary to the cloud service provider, right? So your job is just to upload your data to the database, and that is it, right? So now if you are moving to a different cloud provider, you are not too sure if you can even move the services from there to the next one, right? Because they are using proprietary services or components.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, okay. 6 p.m. your time. Perfect. So we'll be here 6 p.m. Eastern time. I mean, Western time.
Okay.
The answer. He's on the West Coast. I was the West Coast. Forgive me. It's probably not even Western time. No, the answer was D.
Yeah, it was D.
Okay. Next question, but welcome in. This is Tech Talk Room and Sakura. Every day of the week is a different certification. Curious for people breaking newly into IT. This is my stolen statistics while he brings up the next question. If you're not following, follow. The point is, if you're planning on taking any certification in the course of the week that we do, come on in and get the answers wrong here so you can get it right in the exam and ask your questions. There are like-minded people in the chat. Oh, I hope the person, I think it was John that asked the SAA question. I hope that makes sense. So you get to come in, ask your questions. There's no such thing as a dumb question here. I'll ask the dumb questions for you. The only thing I ask is that you be respectful. If you're not being respectful, I will block you. But other than that, welcome in. If you're not following, follow. And do participate, okay? Get it wrong here so you can get it right on the exam. This is Raymond. That's all his certifications up there. I'm Jennifer, but he's the person you need to know. And Win and Hamad in the chat as well. This is people you need to know as well. So we welcome in. All right. Next question is up. This is okay. All of a company's servers are currently hosted in one cloud MSP. The company created a new cloud environment with a different MSP. A cloud engineer is now tasked with preparing for server migration and establishing connectivity between clouds. Which of the following should the engineer perform first? Okay. When? Oh, okay. Ed says same thing. Okay. Where's John? Start drinking. Why? What's the answer?
Start drinking?
Ahmad. Here comes Ahmad. This is easy. When? Where you at? Oh, okay. Simon says D. C. Dun, 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 dun. Any more guesses? Oh no, I shouldn't say any more. Any more answer choices? A, okay. D. Oh, okay. All right. So it's between A, C, and D. Nobody said B, so I'm not gonna say B either.
Okay.
But if you are thinking of B, let me know. The answer isn't work. One of the two MSP will be incompetent and all petty and then screw it up. Oh.
No, I mean.
When you the answer? Okay. From what? Oh, you're gonna give us the answer first and then explain what Colin is saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I mean, I don't. I mean, it depends. I don't think they're going to screw you up.
Okay.
Depends on the agreement that you have.
First of all, I don't even understand the question.
So the answer
no
is
answer.
Okay. The answer is C, right?
C. Okay.
Create a VPN tunnel, right? So
Okay.
it says, all of a company's server are currently hosted in one cloud managed service provider, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, the company created a new cloud environment with a different cloud managed service provider. A cloud engineer is now tasked with preparing for server migration and establishing connectivity between the clouds. Which of the following should the engineer perform first, right? So in order for you to even do anything, you need to set up a VPN or set up a connection, right? So I would have said, so it would be either A or C, right? A or C, they all perform connectivity, right? So, but then with A, it says peer all the network from each cloud environment, right? This is actually one of the options that would, first of all, give a huge overhead, right? And management overhead as well. And also, it's going to incur a lot of cost as well, right? Okay. So peering network means, and depending on how many network you have on the cloud provider, right? Meaning, so if you have more, 10 networks, right, and you're trying to pair to the next cloud provider, meaning you have to map it from one network to the next, right? So from the main service provider, you can connect a network from there, which even is not possible, right? You can't just peer their network like that. But if it's possible, then you connect one. If it's 10, you connect one network to 10 of the other networks, and connect the second network to the 10 of the network, and vice versa, right? So it would take a lot of overhead, right? But that is not even possible. You can't just peer You can't just peer to a different network like that, cloud provider like that. You have to set up a VPN before you can even do anything else.
Quadlin says the tunnel is to facilitate moving snapshots and data backups and forth. And he says with A, you're asking for trouble.
Exactly.
When you said something that Win says it's time consuming.
Exactly, peering. Okay, it is.
And then Herman says Vaughn tunnel or maybe SD1 connection.
XD1, okay.
Calls for data transfer. And then Colin also says that as well. You just made the attack surface huge for no reason.
Okay. I see the security mindset here.
What do you do, Colin? Do brag about yourself. And LLM guy says complexity is the enemy of security. He said something similar last time too. I said I was gonna quote him, but I totally forgot what it was.
Yeah, but that is some security mindset.
Okay.
All right. So I hope that makes sense.
I hope so too, because I didn't get it, but I'm sure they did. I am security itself. All right, Liam.
Itself.
When people ask me about IT, I'm like, I live with IT too. So I love the whole IT. I live with IT.
Ahmed said, "That's romantic."
Come on. Welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Roman Sakura. Every of the week is a different certification curated for people breaking newly into IT. The idea is that if you're planning on taking the certification listed on the page, which is A plus on Mondays, Tuesdays is Network Plus, Wednesdays Linux Plus, Thursdays is Security Plus, today being Friday is Cloud Plus, tomorrow Saturday is going to be AWS Cloud Practitioner, Sunday is AZ 900 for Azure. I say all of that to tell you to follow. If you're planning on taking any of the certifications, come on in and get the answer wrong here so you can get it right on the exam. The people in the chat range from 15, 10, 20, 30 years, 5, 10 years, All of them are here. So there's no such thing as a dumb question. Believe you me, I'll ask the dumb questions for you. This is Raymond. I'm Jennifer. I really don't have much into this. But Raymond does that. He has over 30 plus certification, including his CSSP, all his AWS certifications, including all some of the CompTIA, et cetera, et cetera. So do follow. All right. Next question, right?
Yeah, I think we've seen this before.
You say that.
Wayne and Hamid. I think we've seen this.
Hamad hasn't been here for a while. He's been fasted, okay?
Okay.
A systems administrator has migrated a web application to the cloud with a
I think that's it you did the other time.
Oh, really? Okay.
Synchronous.
There you go. Synchronous upload. I keep telling you guys I have a master's too, okay? Uplink for about 100 megabytes. After the migration, the administrators received the reports of slow connectivity to the web application. The application logs into a firewall and notice that the WAN port is transmitting at a constant 12.5 megabytes. Megabits.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, which of the following best explains the reason for this issue? I feel like these questions you should be explaining.
Explain.
You should be speaking, reading it.
No, it's fine. You got it.
Oh yeah, okay. All right, what's the answer? So we have it ranges. So we have, all right. So we have D, we have A and D. Oh, somebody said D straight. Okay. All right. So what's the answer?
Yeah, the answer is D.
D. Oh, I said A. Okay, you're gonna have to explain this because it was stuck between A and D. So, where's the similarities and what's the difference?
Okay, so all right. Okay, so a system administrator has migrated a web application to the cloud with synchronous upload speed of 100. Right. After migration, the administrator received report of slow connectivity of the web application.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, report slow connectivity. The application logs into the firewall and notice the administrator logs into the firewall and notice the one port is transmitting as a constant of 12.5. Which of the following best explain the issue? All right, so yeah, that would be what D, not enough upload bandwidth. I think, did someone said anything else?
Somebody said A. Bishop, if you know the answer, stop bullying people, okay? Stop it. But no, some of us don't know it, so don't believe them.
Yeah, you're right. It's megabits, right? So,
sorry, I read it wrong.
This should be B. This is small b.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Thanks, Cat Videos.
So with speed, and this is a little confusing too, right? Internet speed is always megabit, right? But storage is megabyte. Right, so yeah, you wouldn't see speed that is mega byte. It should be megabit.
Okay, so so is that why they're saying that 12.5 megabit is equal to 100? Both of them are saying that. I don't know if it is. I think it is true.
I haven't heard of
the equal.
No, megabyte in internet speed. I've never.
Okay, Hamad confirmed that it is. Okay.
Yeah, but I've never heard megabyte before. It's always megabits.
8 bits in a byte. Oh, so this is a calculation. Oh, why? So you can pull out a calculator to flex. Stop it.
But
so you can. It's like it's actually like math. You're like the 8 bits equals to 8 bytes in a bit, so you have to like calculate it. Interesting. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. What was the answer again?
A and D.
D. Okay. Yeah. So why? You said the reason why it's not A was.
Yeah, A says that misconfigured subnet, right? Misconfigured subnet wouldn't cause a slow in speed, right? That wouldn't cause a slow in speed. Misconfigured subnet would just block. Well, it might block the traffic in total. It wouldn't reduce or slow connectivity.
Okay. Yeah. When was saying that the keyword would have been uplink, synchronized uplink.
The keyword.
Okay. Hale says misconfigured subnetting will mean no working.
Working at all.
No working. Okay. Last person, please. Okay.
All right. I'm about to leave.
Last question for Hamad.
All right.
But we're normally here for an hour, but Hamad normally leave early.
All right. Let's try this one. This one.
Bishop said A would mean that they wouldn't be able to communicate.
Yeah, it wouldn't slow down connectivity.
Bishop is here flexing. That's what Bishop came to do today. All right. A cloud administrator would like to deploy a cloud solution to the company's European cloud environment for the purpose of replicating data between the primary and the DR site. Which of the following technologies would be used? I learned earlier, somebody told me that DR is disaster recovery. So,
all right, got it.
what's the answer? Oh, Hamad answered this with a quickness. Okay, D application. I guess this was dessert for Hamad. Oh, Bishop. Bishop, you say B? Good night, Hamad. See you. Well, if you're around tomorrow, see you. 9 p.m. Eastern time for AWS. No, I'm sorry. Tomorrow's AWS. Yeah, AWS. Bishop, what you saying no to? See, now I'm on your case, Bishop. I'm sorry. I'm on your case. Well, welcome in as I stall. This is, Cal, what is it? Let's say this is Cat. This is Tech Talk, where Women's Soccer every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking newly into IT. Hence why every day of the week is a different certification. So if you're planning on taking the certifications and listed on the page, which is, each day of the week, do follow and come on in and get the answers wrong so you can get it right on the exam, okay? The people in the chat range, right? So we have the 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 years, 40 years experience in the chat. People are already working in the field, so there's no such thing as a dumb question. It's not all the time that Raymond gets the answer right. So if you really know that the answer is 10 toes deep, what you're saying it is, do bring your rebuttal respectfully. I do block people. So welcome in. If you're not following, follow, okay? This is Raymond. I'm Jennifer. He has over 30 plus certification, including all his AWS and CISSP included, plus, some of the things up there as well. So if you're planning on taking any of there, you can reach out and he will answer, okay? All right, what's the answer?
All right, so I see someone said none. GDPR compliant. I mean, technically, right? But this is just, I guess, theoretical.
What does that mean?
Question. So, with the European
that's what we learned about last time. Okay.
So what one of the requirements is the data for the should stay in the same region, right? So that is why he's saying that.
Oh, okay. What's the answer?
But the answer will be D, right?
Bishop.
So the keyword here is what? From replicating data from the primary to disaster recovery, right? So so the whole point of disaster recovery is if something happens to the primary site, right? We go to the secondary, right? So the primary and the secondary should have similar data at any point in time, right? And that's where replication comes in, right?
Is it okay to back up to Europe? Oh, of course, Cat's video. Joking is welcomed. But Hale is asking, is it okay to back up to Europe?
It is, and I'm not sure if he's
he or she, Hale?
Yeah, he or she is referencing the GDPR compliance that was mentioned before. Okay. But yeah, you can. So yeah, and remember, it might not be if it's customer data or European citizen or I choose to use citizen, right? Data, then it applies. But if you don't have any customer data and it's just your own, you can do whatever you want with it, right? Okay. So yeah.
Can you explain why it's not A? Verima A says that they should have the same infrastructure to support the data protection and replication.
Yep.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, so that is replication, right? Cloning is just making a copy, right? Okay. That is it, right? Okay. And cloning is it's more of a one-time thing, right? Okay. It's more like a one-time thing. Okay. Snapshot is also point in time, right? It's not ongoing, right? Okay. So now, if something happened, right, the snapshot will be the data point that you get will be the snapshot, right? So point in time might be like a week, it might be a week ago, it might be a month ago, right? But the replication is continuous, right? Okay. Continuous back and forth.
Okay. Premise is cloning and snapshot or point in time.
Okay. Yep. So that is it.
I'm sorry, what does a point in time mean?
At a specific instance.
Oh, okay. Time. All right. I just want to make sure because I see stuff people.
I know.
So, Bishop says snapshot is backup. My bad. Oh, okay.
Backup. Okay.
Got it. I thought he meant like I read it as he said it down. It's in the back of his mind, so that's why he said it.
Okay, let's try this one.
All right.
This is okay.
A company needs to migrate the storage system and batch jobs from the local storage system to a public cloud provider. Which of the following accounts will most likely be created to run the batch process?
Mm-hmm.
Me too, Joe. Me
Is it?
too.
Oh, okay. Is it the cloud in Joe? Because I think Joe said new thing to learn or something. So I'm guessing you are new to the cloud.
Or new
Not
to
the
IT
specific
completely.
question.
Okay, Burma didn't come to play. Hey, where you at? Ed is here too. Stop. Oh, see, okay. All right, so we have. Oh, this one keeps turning off on me. I thought I saw D. Okay, so we have C, D.
And C again.
All right, so it's between C and D. All right. LDAP is for Active Directory. Oh, I learned that the other day too, but I didn't remember until you said it. All right, what's the answer? Oh, hi, Mike. Okay.
So it's D.
D?
It's service, right? So now it's saying that a company needs to migrate the storage system and batch jobs from the local storage system to a public cloud provider. Right? Which of the following accounts will most likely be used to run the batch process? Right.
Okay.
So service account is usually an account that is created for non-human. Right.
Oh.
So if a computer, right, a server needs to perform an action, right? Example, backing up or batch process or something, right? You create a service account for that server.
Okay.
Right? For humans, you create what? User account.
Okay.
And also use LDAP as Active Directory for managing the user, or you can create a role-based access control, right? So now
Ed is wondering what I was wondering. Ed is saying non-human as an aliens, or what exactly is a non-human? Like AI?
As in another computer, right?
Oh,
or
okay.
another service, right?
Okay, and then
Yeah.
Burma says, "Hey Preston, how are you?" Burma says a keyword is most likely, and you need a system account to run those for
minimize error, right?
Okay.
So that is one of the use cases, right? So now with a service account, right? Let's say the service account is going to communicate with S3, right? Storage, right? So now you set up a principle of least privilege that this specific service account that I'm creating would only be for read and write to a specific storage, right? So you can have that granular control, right? However, if you use a user's account, right? Remember, users have so many permissions, right? So you can't just use a user's account, right?
Okay.
And the user can be fired, right? Or leave. The users can leave the company, right?
Okay.
So now what will happen to the account, right? Remember, the administrator usually set up.
Mitch, the answer was D.
Yes, D. They set up when they create an account, right? They set up automation that if a user is fired, right, within a week, within a day, sometimes right there, the account will be deactivated, right? So if you use a user's account for this type of processing, right, and the user is fired, right, the process will fail, right? This might be a payment transaction, right?
Okay.
So the best is to use a service account for non-human interactions, right? So like another server or another process. So yeah, so that is it. Or a service in the cloud, right? So if you want to give permission to a function, right? You can set up a service account that lists all the permissions to perform that specific task, right? So yeah.
All right. Oh, Ed says very true. Users leaving the company happens all the time.
And sometimes they hire employees and then they set up system with their own account, and once they leave, it's like it's anyways, where were we? Let's
So like
Let's go to the next one.
From experience.
Yeah, right here. Okay, okay.
Well, sure.
All
Welcome
right.
in. Welcome in. Hey, Timmy Turner. I just thought the name was funny from the Fairy Godparents. But welcome in. Where am I? This is Tech Talk Women. Stop. All right, Bishop.
Next.
Bishop, you don't hurry. All right. So this is Tech Talk Women. Stackway. As I fill it in while he gets the next question. Every day of the week is a different certification. Bishop, you better be following. Every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people newly breaking into IT. The idea is if you're breaking you into IT and you are planning on taking any of the certification, do come on in here, get the answers wrong so you can get it right on the exam. Okay, so welcome in. If you're not following, follow. All right. A company still has several dedicated servers and wants to migrate them to its private cloud, which of the following migration method will be best to accomplish this goal? I knew you were about to close my eyes. Because I was like, the way you're looking around.
Which one? Which one is it? Which one is it?
I don't. Okay. Guys, they're not saying nothing. I was hoping you guys would have said something by now. I should know this one.
I mean, I think we saw it the other time.
Oh.
I think it was bare metal 7.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with D then.
Yeah, I think we saw that before.
Okay.
But it wasn't.
What are they saying?
No one said anything yet.
Oh, what's the answer? We didn't freeze, right? Okay.
No.
Okay, I think they're thinking about it. Guys, something. Any answer choices? Okay, D. All right. Oh, there's a lag. Okay. Okay, perfect. No, it looks like there was a lag. Okay, D. Okay, perfect. I got it right. All right. It was D because the majority saying D. Yeah. Every answer is D. Right here.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Well, no, I think that there was a first one that was A. I think you probably came a little late. There was the first one that was like A or something like that. We were thinking, oh, okay. Cool. All right, what's the answer?
Yeah, so the answer is for D.
D,
right?
Okay.
Yeah, since a company still have several dedicated server, right? So dedicated server is basically servers that is on a physical machine, right? Okay. So same as bare metal, right? Similar to the previous question. And want to migrate them to its private cloud, right? Which of the following migration method would best describe, right? So anytime we go into cloud, is virtual, right? So it's from physical to virtual.
Okay,
right?
Physical to virtual. Okay,
all right. So let's try the next.
This was
one.
unanimous, by the way. Even I got it right. All right, he's looking for the next question, so you know it's my preamble time. But if you're not following, follow. Okay. Every day of the week is a different certification, curated for people breaking you into IT. So there's no such thing as a dumb question. If you don't know it, you don't know it. Ask it. I'll ask it for you. Okay. What kind of cloud program would you use, or what do you see? User. I don't know if I get your question. What kind of cloud program would you use? Would you use the most?
Would you use?
Or what do you see most?
What do you see most?
Do you get the question? I don't get the
No.
question. Can you elaborate a little bit?
Well, what do you mean by program?
Oh, like AWS or Azure.
Oh, okay, platform.
Which one does he use?
Seeing.
I was gonna say he's a bit biased. He has all his AWS certifications, so.
I mean, yeah, AWS is has the market share. However, Azure is also coming up, especially in the government sector. Yeah, all their cloud service is on Azure. I don't know why, but
okay. Rashid says the dedicated servers are on-prem.
Dedicated, yeah.
From the question,
on-prem,
are they
yes,
on-prem? Okay. How is one supposed to know it's on-prem? Are you supposed to assume?
That is true. But still have. Okay. Yeah. So the way it says dedicated server and want to migrate them to private cloud, right? So. Yeah,
also because it's said okay.
Yeah, dedicated should be a physical. Yeah, it's a little vague, but dedicated should always be physical server, and physical servers are always
thanks
on.
Very much. Okay, he wants to know which cloud platform do you like the most. Okay.
Oh, do I like? I mean, for now, AWS till further notice, but
he not loyal. He not loyal.
I am loyal.
You're not loyal to no cloud. All right, wait for the next question, by the way. I was just
okay. Oh, yeah. Hold on.
Rude. The answer was D, right? The answer was D. It was D.
Okay.
Burma says AWS application and Azure for infrastructure are now the most. Okay. Is there any other ones out there?
Which one? Cloud
No
service?
love. Yeah. Is anyone no love for GCP?
Oh,
Is that a cloud service?
Yeah, Google Cloud. I think it's there too.
Maybe it's coming up. Google Cloud
yeah,
Services. Okay.
yeah, and then
Why is nobody talking about it though?
Oracle has cloud as well.
Okay.
What else? IBM has cloud.
Sorry, user,
Alibaba has a cloud.
Alibaba is in AliExpress.
Oh yeah, someone no.
There.
I'm not sure if it's the same thing, but yeah,
Alibaba used to be AliExpress.
OCI
Those
is
that don't know.
Oracle.
Okay.
Not listed anymore. I have a.
My search not listed anymore. I have CompTIA. Oh, you have CompTIA.
No, you should have gotten an updated certificate
Check
for
your
Security X. Yeah.
check your portal. Never
Oh,
got.
then they should have emailed you.
Oh,
Sorry, mail. They should, it's a
Oh,
physical,
mail it
yeah.
to you. Never gonna get it. Never gonna get it.
Yeah.
Security X.
So you
that's
still
the
have it.
one.
You still have the Security
Oh,
X.
okay.
Yeah, it's transferable. Yeah, I had this CSP too. But
Welcome in, welcome in. If you're not
Alright.
follow us. Tech Talk Women Soccer every day of the week is a different certification curated for people breaking newly into IT. The idea is if you're planning on breaking into IT, well, if you're really into IT and you're planning on taking certifications, I should say, as well, is come on in, get the questions right here so you can get it wrong here so you can get it right on the exam. The people in the chat range from people with 10, 5, 15, 20, 30 years in the chat. So there is no such thing as a wrong answer. I mean, no, there is a wrong answer, but there's no such thing as a dumb question. I'll ask the dumb questions for you. So do come in and participate. This is Raymond. He has over 30 plus certification, including his CISSP. Yeah, so participate, okay? If you're not following, follow.
Alright.
I'm just here to chit chat.
yeah, I think. Let me.
You're done with the
back.
questions?
Yeah.
You have about a couple of minutes. We're supposed to be here
Yeah,
for
I
an
know.
hour.
I know.
Oh.
Let me see.
Well, you have to start pulling up questions.
Yeah, I have to.
Okay. Somebody says, wait. Oh, I missed a lot of questions and smaller ones. Oh, there's smaller ones also. Okay. There's Salesforce ones. There's IBM one. I'm stalling so you can find the next
No,
question.
so I should remind you.
No, you should
Concentrate on
I'm
your
just
job.
yeah.
All right, fine.
Berman says,
fine.
I like OpenShift from IBM though. Oracle, OCI seems to be losing grounds. Oh, okay. Never gonna get it. Oh, you let your certification expire.
Okay.
Okay. But can't you take one to revive the other one? Isn't that what they do?
Oh, I think the Security X is actually the top.
Oh.
Yeah, so
So
I
what
don't
does that
think
mean?
anything would refresh it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, if you take Security Plus, it wouldn't refresh it. However,
Okay.
if you take the Security X, it will refresh the Security Plus.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So I don't think so. I might probably have to look it up, but I don't think it does.
Excuse me. You still get okay, hold on. Noli says, what search do you recommend for entry SOC analyst level 1 position?
Oh, I love SOC analyst. All right. So,
Are you gonna find a question? Why?
I mean, I have to answer the question.
Okay,
Like,
fine.
come on.
Sorry.
Oh, you have
sorry.
3 minutes. All right.
You're answering the not question. It's fine. You
Yeah.
can answer it.
So, if you don't have any IT experience, right, I would recommend starting from the beginning, right? However, if you have some sort of IT experience or A+ network certification, and then that'll be fine, right? So with SOC analysts specifically, take the Security Plus and then take the CompTIA CYSA Plus, right? So those two should prepare you
for the SOC analyst. Okay. Middle J, just to answer your question, he does have a CSSP, so I'll ask him how he feels about it. I don't know what you mean by how he feels about it. Though. As feel about you getting it, or
yeah.
But I skipped a couple of questions though. You still get CEU. He's looking for the next question, so I'm stalling. Bear with me.
Fine.
The CASP is the highest you could go. Okay. Quadlin is asking, are they physical service or hypervisors?
I
think it's this question, right?
Physical service or hypervisor. Okay, so hypervisor is actually the software that enables virtualization. That is it.
I think Quadlin knows that. But he seemed like he knows what he's talking about. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Okay, yeah, that is the whole point of hypervisor, right? So it's like if you want to write a Microsoft Word document, guess what? You need what? A Microsoft Word software, right? Same thing, right? So in order for you to create a virtual machine, you need a hypervisor, right? So the hypervisor is installed on the physical machine, right? In order for you to be able to build a virtual machine.
Okay. Oh, Olga. Okay, sure. If you're taking it on March 3rd, okay. So we do AZ 900 on Sunday. So if you want to stop by as well, just to see how well you're answering the questions, and if there's something perplexing you, you can ask in the chat as well, right? They'll answer. Okay. Noli, I think you should DM him so that I don't. Hi, Kai. I'm trying to get him to get, the questions
The
in.
last question. The last
This is
question is coming, yeah.
Okay, so you can then. Oh yes, I heard Professor Messer is good as well. Everybody comes to recommends Professor Messer. So if you're planning on doing it, do watch Professor Messer as well. Kai, how are you? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Matt says, "Oh, useless physical then D." Oh,
unless.
Matt.
Is unless?
Yeah, the answer was D, right? The last question.
Yeah,
I think it was D. Matt. Yeah, because
unanimously. I think it's fiscal to virtual.
Yeah,
fiscal
yes,
to
they said it.
Yeah,
Physical.
yes.
Hi, Echo. How are you? Oh, bye, Ed. Good night. Good night. Good night.
All right.
See you tomorrow, if anything. Oh, I missed a lot of the chat. I'm sorry, guys. I was chit-chatting. I didn't see everybody's question. Oh, is this the last one?
Yeah, this is the last one for today.
All right. So a company is switching from one cloud provider to another and needs to complete the migration as quickly as possible. Which of the following is most important considering to ensure a seamless migration?
Seamless. So keyword is seamless right here.
It's most important.
Yeah, for seamless
migration. Okay.
Right? Most important for seamless. So
I'm glad. Okay. All right. So we have C, we have A and C. Matt.
it's C and D.
Matt said B, C, and D. Okay, C. All right. So Bishop decided to go with C. Okay. Quadrant is saying that each cloud provider has idiosyncratic feature. You know the word.
Okay.
Keep the software. Check the software to make sure it's cloud agnostic.
Agnostic.
Okay.
So cloud.
It's a lot of big words.
Right. Right.
Quadrant. Followed. Oh, I'm glad you followed Bishop. Now you follow. Welcome in. All of that is important if you want seamless. Okay. All of that is.
But which one is the most?
Oh,
right?
okay. That's what Matt is saying. Okay. That's what he said. Okay. So which one is the most important? All right. What's the answer?
So the answer will be C.
C.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think Matt is gonna like that.
Yeah. As I know, someone said the cost of the environment, right?
That was when.
Oh, okay. I mean, someone else also said A.
Okay,
Yeah, there was
so
a few people that said A.
Oh,
yeah.
yes. Okay, so a few people said A, but then decided to go with C. I'm not mentioning any names, Bishop.
So so I mean, all these options are, I mean, one A and B specifically, right? Is a consideration, right? Network utilization. I don't think you really need to worry about the network utilization as much. But yeah, the cost is one of the things that you have to be considerate about, right? However, like every other cloud service is pay as you go, right? So you don't really have to worry about the cost that much, right? Okay. One thing that you have to worry about is the feature compatibility, right? So it says a company, they are switching from one cloud provider to the next, right? So different cloud providers have different features that they have, right?
He wants to know what kind of features are you talking about?
So a simple example might be, let's say the VM type, right? Because remember, when you're creating virtual machines, right? All the cloud providers that I've worked with so far or I've seen so far is they have a template, right? So they will have the CPU and memory matching, right? So you can the size of the size of the machine, right? CPU and then memory mapping, right? It might be different from the next cloud service provider, right? Let's say the services, right? Sometimes a service will be on Microsoft Azure, but then it wouldn't be on AWS, right? Okay. So if you are using that service in Azure and you decide to move to AWS, you have to make sure that they have the same services.
So if they don't have the service, then somebody also said that you gotta have the features you need. Cost doesn't matter without that. Okay. Yeah, and then Matt was saying that you pay for data in and data out.
Is that a network utilization? Is that it?
Matt, I'm sorry. I think I may have read that late when you were putting that in. And then Qualin says, what version of Mongo? What's Mongo?
Mongo, I think database.
Elastic load balancer in AWS is different in GCP.
There you go. Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, good.
Okay, good. And then Burma says the cost consideration is strategy happens before the actual
switching. So okay, I like that.
Okay. Matt was saying D, network utilization. So cost in, which was what he was saying about
data in, data out.
Okay.
Yeah. That I think
So the answer was D, right?
no, C.
The answer was C.
Yeah, C.
I'm chatting.
Data in, data out.
What does that even mean?
When
sounds like a firewall.
you are charged when data comes in and charged when data goes out, right?
Oh.
However, I can say with confidence that AWS AWS specifically, right? They don't charge data. Hold on. Let me get my
Your train of thoughts?
yeah,
Okay.
no orientation. So, because they charge for one, they don't charge for the other. So I just want to make sure which one do they charge. So they don't charge for data coming in and data going out, right? So they don't charge for data coming in, but they charge for data going out. AWS specifically, right?
Okay.
I'm not too sure about Azure, but I can confirm. But yeah, I think
Does anybody know about Azure?
They don't charge for both in AWS specifically.
It's distracting me. If it's not there, it's fine.
Yeah.
You're almost done anyway, so
yeah.
all right, but
So
you want to confirm Azure.
Let me confirm.
I hope that makes sense, Matt. If it does,
so yeah, they don't.
That's a consideration for a seamless migration. Okay, got it. But the answer was C. The people coming in, the answer was C. Hi, Cam. If you're not following, follow. This is Tech Talk with Sakura. Every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT and plan on taking certifications, do follow. This is Raymond. He has over 30 plus certification, including his CSSP. The best answer is A. Well, yes, but you know, if the person is planning on taking a certification, and this kind of debate will help them remember the answer, then you know, that's all.
So actually, both AWS and Azure don't charge data coming in, but they charge for data going out.
Okay.
Right. That is actually one of the exams question too.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, you should know that.
Remember that one.
Yeah, either A's in 100 or A's in 100 or the cloud practitioner, right? Okay. So they don't charge data coming in, but they charge for data going out, right?
Okay.
All right. So
that was the last question.
That is the last question.
That was the last question.
All right.
He's trying to be respectful of time in an hour before people come in and be like, more answers.
more
questions. The question is about the technical execution. Hey, Burma. I hope I'm saying it right.
What does it even do?
Barima. Is it Barima or Barima? Do you work in cloud? Do brag about yourself.
Is it the same person you asked? I think you asked someone.
No, I asked somebody else. It was but I don't even think the person answered. They probably went off. The question is like, yeah. Oh, I got it right.
More.
Okay.
No, it's one more.
So,
is it? Up or?
No, he's actually saying the question is like he's seconding what Barima said.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So what do you do? Do tell. Do brag about yourself. We're about to log off though, but tomorrow is 9 p.m. Eastern time. Hi, Desmond. Tomorrow's 9 p.m. Eastern time. Tomorrow's going to be tomorrow's going to be AWS Cloud Practitioner. So if you're planning on doing it, do come in. Oh, you're an IT audit, risk and compliance specialist. Good job. What's next for you? I hope you're not staying there forever.
Yeah, I feel like you have more to give than where you are now. But anyways. It's up to you to.
Well, he's saying something controversial. Anyways.
But yeah, I mean, I think you have. You have to upgrade.
Okay, very much. That's the challenge to you by the end of the year. Hopefully, you take the challenge and get a new higher paying job, right? So is Win, if you're there.
I mean, Win is already getting high paying job.
Is that what Win told you?
Yeah.
By the end of the year, I pray that you all come back and be like, you got a new job, you got a new certification, and then you went up.
New job. Yep.
But anyway, so that's it for us tonight. God willing, tomorrow we'll be here 9 p.m. Eastern time, okay, for AWS. So if you're planning on taking, do stop by. Good night.
All right. Good night, everyone.
Oh, what was the answer? Hayden.
That was C.
Hayden, you were late. Hayden, the answer was C. Do you want an explanation too? I'm not being funny. He will explain to you. But before, what would have been your answer, Hayden?
And okay. I thought he already said.
Hayden could be a girl or boy.
Yeah, he or she.
So I missed it last year. So you sure? But what would have been your answer, Hayden?
And if you not follow.
Yeah. So you can see when we go live tomorrow. Are you planning on taking a certification?
Yeah, it's every day 9
See?
p.m. Eastern.
Hated when you say that. Oh, I believe you. Okay. We'll see you tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow is
Alright.
going to be I've been saying it, cloud AWS cloud practitioner, okay? But the cloud plus is every Friday 9 p.m. Eastern time.
Every Monday is A plus, Tuesday CompTIA Nectar Plus, Wednesday CompTIA Linux Plus, Thursday is
Security
CompTIA
Plus.
Security Plus,
Fridays Cloud
Fridays
Plus,
Cloud Plus,
Saturday
AWS Cloud Practitioner, Sunday.
AZ 900.
It's all beginner friendly, right?
That was the whole point. But this is Raymond. That's all his certifications. So if you plan on taking anything that he has up there that is not in what we listed, do reach out. He will answer, but it will take him a while to answer, you know. But welcome in. Thank you guys. Good night. Oh, okay.
Good night.
Features compatibility most important for quick and seamless.
There you go.
Then.
All right, see you.
All right.
All right, see you all tomorrow.
Good night.
All right, good night.